Welcome back to the Sigma Earth Job Portal. In this video, I will showcase how a candidate can apply for various jobs, create a resume, and apply for tasks. Suppose the task is offered by a particular company. I'll show how to apply. We have multiple features for candidates such as bookmarking jobs, setting up alerts to receive email notifications when a specific company posts a job. Let's jump into the demo now. As a candidate, we first advise registering before exploring other options. We'll do the same. Go to the registration option. My name is Rudramani Pandey, but for the sake of the demo, I'll register as Barry Allen. I'll use my email ID and create a simple password. I'll then say yes, I'm not a robot. I'll read the privacy policy beforehand and register. You see, it's simple. We don't ask too many questions. You're now inside the portal, ready to explore. We will also send you an email with your username and password, which will be updated after this video. As a candidate, you can browse companies. Let's see if TCS has any jobs. You can also search by industry. I can also search on terms of average salary being offered by each company. I can also filter options by revenue and choose a larger company. Now, let's browse jobs. You can search by keyword like climate. You will then be shown job opportunities related to climate. Or filter by region such as India or the US. You can also filter by job type, freelancing, full-time, internships, etc. If you want to work from home, you can search for remote positions. There are many options, and you can filter by tag or category. Using these features, you can search for a job in the sustainability sector. Once you are done, you can search for your required job in the sustainability field, explore a particular job, and see what it offers. For example, if you click on a climate change sustainability specialist job, you'll see the company name at the top. You can visit the company's website. Check other various open positions and also review the company if you have previously worked there. So in this job of climate change and sustainability specialist, they have highlighted your job responsibilities, the minimum qualifications required, and their preferences. If you click the Alert Me to Jobs like this option, you will be directed to the Jobs Alert section of your dashboard. You can customize the alert with a specific job category, region. You can also choose different job types such as freelance, full-time, volunteer, part-time. You can also choose the frequency in which you want to receive the emails, that is daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Once you save the job alert, you will be receiving an email asking for permission to send you further job alerts. You can also share a job on social media or bookmark it for later. You can find these saved bookmarks in the bookmark section of your dashboard. Along with the bookmark sections, you can find a lot of options on your dashboard, like messages, bookmarks, job alerts, managing resumes, managing tasks, your bids, your profile, and you can also log out. Now, let's go back to the same job. For this particular job, you cannot directly apply from here on Sigma Earth. Clicking the Apply for Job option will land you directly onto their website's job portal. There are also other jobs where companies allow you to directly apply through Sigma Earth. One such company is EnviroSense. On the job posting for EnviroSense, you can see that when you try to apply for the job, a form will open up. In case a form like this shows up, you have one of two options. You can check out all the information that will be automatically filled, correct if needed, add a custom message, upload your CV, and accept the terms and conditions, and submit the application, or apply with the resume directly. If you choose the second option, the resume can be directly created here on Sigma Earth. It is dynamic and can be shared across all platforms. If you select the second option, you will be landing here. You can find the Manage Resume option on your dashboard to directly access this section. You can create multiple versions of your resume, but you can only activate one of them at a time. Let's go ahead and create a resume for Barry Allen. Let's select Russia as his region. His professional title is an ESG dashboard developer, and his location will be selected as Russia, Moscow. His country will also be Russia. Optionally, you can choose to select and upload photos into the gallery. What's important is choosing the resume category carefully, depending on your job type and what you're looking for. Let's say Barry Allen chooses to work in freelance, full-time, in an internship. He can also choose his area of expertise, like web, software, and IT, and also consultancy. If you're going to choose to work as a freelancer, you also have the option to add your minimum rate, for example, 30 USD per hour. Next, let's fill out the resume content. This is perhaps the most important section. You can type this out on your own, or if you already have a document, you can go ahead and copy-paste the information. Let's go ahead and fill out a mock example of Barry Allen's resume content. You can use the inbuilt features in the resume content creator to format your information. You can bolden your text, use italics, and bullet points. The skills section consists of tags where you can choose your area of expertise that will increase your visibility and SEO over the internet. The next category is social sites. Here, you can link your social media platforms so employers can view you. The next section is competency bars. Under here, you can select your particular skill and rate your competency from 0 to 100. This can highlight your area of expertise and showcase to the employer what is your focus. The next category is the education sector. In this category, you'll have to mention all your educational qualifications and certifications. After filling out your education category, you'll have to fill out your experience category. Here, you can name your employer, job title, your start and end date, and any important achievements within this job role. Under the next category, you also have the option to link your pre-made resume file. You can also go ahead and upload a passport-size photo so the employers can identify you. After you're done filling out the resume, you'll have to fill out a CAPTCHA and verify you're not a robot. You can now go ahead and preview your resume and edit out any mistakes and make corrections. After you go over your resume thoroughly, you can go ahead and submit your resume. Now, your resume will directly be going to the admin who will go ahead and make any necessary corrections, verify information. Once your resume is approved, it will be directly uploaded onto your dashboard. You can go ahead and check your dashboard to see all of your recent activity and status. Here, you can see that the resume was uploaded 7 seconds ago. You can always go to the dashboard and under the resume section, you can manage your resume to edit, delete, or hide it from employers. You can also select a resume and make it your freelance profile. Now, under For Employers, you can browse resumes and you will be able to see that our resume can be found. This gives you a better idea as to how your profile would look to possible employers. So now that you've created your candidate profile, let's go ahead and browse jobs. Under EnviroSense, if you choose to apply for this job, you can see that now your resume is inbuilt with the Apply with Resume option. You can also go ahead and add any extra content or a personalized message. After you've applied for a job, you can always click the Send Message option to go ahead and inquire about any updates. In case you want to check messages, you can always go to your dashboard and check the messages section. Here, you can see all your messages sent and replied. To find a freelance job, you can go ahead and click here. All particular freelance jobs show up on this page. You can also check the maps. Let's go ahead and click on this particular company. They have nothing to offer as of now. Here you can see that I've clicked the Bid for Freelance Jobs section. Under freelancing, there are usually two types of jobs. One, where you work under a company for a particular period of time under a contract, and secondly, where they hire you for a specific task with a pre-disclosed amount. For the second option, you can go ahead and come under the Bid for Freelance Jobs page. Here, you can search for a freelance job according to the radius from your location. Here, you can go ahead and choose between categories, keywords, fixed and hourly rate, etc. Now, we can go ahead and check out what this job is all about. They have given us a particular project description and skills required. We also have a bid on this job option. Here, you can choose your bid amount, let's go with 5,000, and you can set the number of days it will take you to deliver this project. When you click on it, you will also have an option to describe your proposal. Once filled out, you can go ahead and place a bid. If in the future the company selects your proposal, you will be given tasks where you will have to align with the company. Similarly, you can go to the Find Internship option. Clicking on it will bring up a page specifically catered to find you internships. Here, you will find the job listings and the map. Here, you can go ahead and select an internship and apply for it. And that is how a candidate can apply for jobs, freelance jobs, internships, create job alerts, bookmark jobs, and create resumes. In case you have any questions or difficulties, don't hesitate to contact us anytime.